Welcome back. Cadre from PDSN here. One of the biggest changes hitting your local economy right now aren't coming from elections, new laws, or even domestic policy. They're coming from global tech partnerships, dealings made in boardrooms thousands of miles away, and international trade agreements that are quietly reshaping everything from job availability to the price of your groceries. Most people don't see it happening, but you will, because today we're breaking down exactly how these massive global moves translate into real world effects right here at home. Over the last 5 years, tech companies have stopped thinking nationally. They're building cross border alliances, cloud providers partnering with foreign governments, semiconductor companies forming multinational manufacturing networks, AI labs signing international compute sharing agreements, telecom giants merging infrastructure across continents. These aren't just business deals, they're economy gravity wells. Once the region gets pulled into one of these networks, the entire local economy starts to orbit around it. Trade agreements used to be about cars, steel, and agriculture. Now they're about data flows, AI model access, chip manufacturing rights, cybersecurity standards, cloud sovereignty rules. When countries navigate these details, they're deciding which regions get new factories, which cities get new data centers, which workers get retraining programs, which industries get tax breaks, which technologies become affordable locally. This is why your local economy changed even when your local government doesn't. Here's where it gets real everyday life. Job markets shift overnight. When the global partnership decides to build a chip plant in one region instead of another, thousands of jobs move instantly. Automation, robotics, AI training programs to follow. Price changes based on global supply chain. If a trade deal opens cheaper access to a foreign component, your electronics get cheaper. If it restricts imports, your prices go up. Infrastructure gets rebuilt around tech needs. Cities upgrade fiber networks, power grids, cooling systems, transportation routes, not because the locals demand it, but because global tech partners need it. Businesses feel the ripple first. Local shops, contractors, service providers adapt fast. New demand for IT services, new competition for imported goods, new opportunities from tech-driven growth. They're the canary in the coal mine. Here's the part most people miss. When global tech partnership with your local economy, they also shape your digital sovereignty. If your region becomes dependent on one foreign cloud provider, one chip supplier, or one AI ecosystem, you lose leverage, you lose choice, you lose resilience. Independent tech systems, including sovereign Linux distros, open hardware, and local manufacturers, become more important than ever. Tell your what viewers should be watching for. New data centers being announced, local job postings shifting towards automation, sudden price changes in electronics, government incentives for tech companies, infrastructure updates that seem out of nowhere. These are early signs that global deals landing in the backyard. Global tech partnerships and trade deals aren't abstract. They're not distant. They are not theatrical. They're already reshaping the local economy, your job market, and your prices, your infrastructure, and your digital future. And the people who understand this early, they're the ones who stay ahead of the curve instead of getting blindsided by it. If you want more breakdown like this from the global scale down to the street level impact, stick around. This is PDSN, and we're here to make the complete complex simple. Like, follow, and subscribe.